All right, we are back. I'm about to use my favorite tool again, Perplexity AI. And this time, I use Perplexity AI instead of using Google. Why? Because I can get all my information in one place instead of having to read multiple articles on Google search. Okay, what do I want this time? This time, I'm going to ask Perplexity AI how to make passive income online. Or maybe I can put a number in front of it. Give me 15 ways to make passive income online. Should we say that? Let's say that again. Not again, but let's say that instead. Let's ask that instead. Give me 15 ways or easiest ways to, I'm typing too fast, to make passive income online. Okay. People use the prompts different ways, but me, that's just how I use it. I don't try to make things too complicated. All right, there you go. Now, if you don't like the answers you get in, you could go down here and click rewrite, or you could go back to the top and refresh, copy and paste the prompt and do it all over again, right? Okay, what I want you to understand, there will be a number at the end of every result. And that number is basically, once you click it, it will be the reference of where Perplexity is getting that information from. If we click this right here, as you can see, it will load up a page. This is where it's getting this information. It actually got it from this article, 29 passive income ideas to make money in 2025, right? Now, if we exit out and you click another one, let's click on number 10, and you click number 10, you will see this is another article, 25 passive income ideas to help you make more money in 2025, right? So let's go over these 15 easiest ways to make passive income online. I'm just gonna say yes or no. What do I mean? If I like it or if I don't. I would not do drop shipping. No. Print on demand required work. Everything required works, but print on demand, I don't consider it too passive. Digital product is something you would create one time and then you could resell it. I really consider that as passive income. In terms of ebooks, templates, PDFs, online courses, anything that you have to create one time and sell it multiple times. Print on demand, you would have to print and print and print and print. If there's nobody to print, you don't make no money. If you're not available to print something, you wouldn't make any money. See what I'm saying? Drop shipping would only, I just had bad experiences with drop shipping like 8-9 years ago. So keep that on the low. No drop shipping. Digital product, that's a yes. Online courses, that's a yes. Blogging, I would say a yes. Plus, it's easier to blog nowadays because of tools like ChatGPT, this tool here as well, Perplexity, Jasper AI, because it will help you write these articles real fast. Now, all you got to do is find multiple ways to rank them online, rank them in search. But I would consider blogging. My favorite of all time, affiliate marketing. And I'm going to read this word for word. Earn commissions by promoting products on your website or social media. So every time you, like, let's say you like using this amazing AI tool that helps you solve a problem. Every time you talk about that AI tool, you put the link in your description, somebody clicks it and subscribe to that AI tool, you will get a small commission every time. If it's recurring, then every month you get a small commission. Now you could do that with multiple tools or whatever it is. I really like that. I think the most favorite affiliate program is Amazon affiliate program. Like, if you, whatever you have in your home, whatever you use to film content, whatever you have in your business, if you create a video, you could talk about them or list them at the bottom of your video. If people click and go to Amazon and purchase something, you get a small commission. You get the point, right? Stock photo, I wouldn't mind that because you take the photo one and just upload it and forget about it. YouTube channel, it's passive, but you got to put in the work. You got to put in the work. After you put in the work, it could be passive, but you can't just put in the work and forget about it for 20 years and still be making money. If you create 100 videos, the views will compound, then you start making money. Then you gotta at least upload 3 to 4 videos a month minimum. Some people uploading 3 to 4 videos a day. So it's passive, but you got to put in some type of work. Social media influencer, you got to put in work. Sell design online. Write ebooks. If you write, and that means you put in work, so it's not as passive. Create a mobile app. The only thing that would require work after it's created, updates. High heel saving account. Now your money is working for you. You place your money somewhere and you get a little interest off of it. I think this is not a finance channel, but I'm actually using I think Chase have a good one. Who else got a good one? Navy Federal also got a good one. Let's not talk about this. Stocks, yep, but it's up and down. Yep. And this, I don't know anything about it. I'm not gonna talk about it. This is not a finance channel, but yeah, guys, this is Perplexity. I love this too. I use this for everything. Whenever I have a question, whenever I have a problem I want to solve, Perplexity, boom, boom, boom. Thank you for watching. If you want more, let me know. I have a lot I want to put on this channel. I don't know yet. Let me know. Any comment, anything that have to do with if you're an entrepreneur, anything that have to do a content creator, whatever, if you're doing anything on the internet to make money, if you want any type of productivity tools, if you want like a automated system, tell me in the comment section like, hey, how can I do this? How can I create this? And I will put a video out to help you specifically. This channel is for you. And if you made it all the way here listening to me saying thank you, I would say it again. Thank you for watching. Let me know what you need so I can help you. All right, best friend, let's do it. I'm out.